Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to send money from your PayPal account to a US bank account in 2025. Whether you're getting paid from a gig or just managing your finances, this process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and your US bank account linked to it. This is crucial because it speeds up transfers and keeps everything secure. If you haven't linked your bank yet, head to your PayPal settings and add it. It's quick and easy. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using the app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is where all your money and payment methods are managed. Look for the option that says Transfer Funds or Transfer to Bank. Step 2. Select your linked US bank account from the list. PayPal might show you any recent transactions or balances here, which is a nice touch. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep in mind that in 2025, PayPal has updated its fee structure, so check for any transfer fees. Usually, it's free for linked accounts, but it depends on your bank. Step 3. Double-check the details. Make sure the amount is correct, and review any confirmation messages. Hit the Transfer or Confirm button, and you're good to go. Processing times are typically 1 to 3 business days, but with the 2025 enhancements, some transfers might be instant if your bank supports it. If you run into any issues, like a failed transfer, it could be due to insufficient funds or verification problems. Just go back to your settings and ensure everything is up to date. And remember, always use secure networks to protect your info. There you have it. That's how you send money from PayPal to your US bank account in 2025. It's straightforward and saves you time. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.